Hello, welcome to Travel with Suri. There is an art exhibition called Field of Light that is unlike anything that you have ever seen. I found it stunning. The good news is that it is located in Paso Robles in Central California, within an easy 3-hour drive from Los Angeles. Bruce Munro is a British artist who is known for his work with light. He sets up exhibits all over the world. This year, he premiered his largest artwork in Paso Robles. How it came to be there is an interesting story, and I will explain it a little later. In a picturesque setting of rolling hillsides dotted with majestic oak trees, he installed almost 60,000 spheres of light. The magic happens at sunset when the daylight fades and these spheres start illuminating. The effect of his field of light on this grand scale in such a peaceful setting is very hard to explain. Relaxing and awe-inspiring are adjectives that come to my mind. The landscape is utterly changed from what your senses took in a few minutes before at dusk. Color now fills the canyon. Randomly, the colors keep changing. How did this totally unique experience end up just a few miles off 101 freeway in Central California? Paso Robles resident Ken Hunter and his wife were traveling in Australia when they happened upon a Bruce Munro art exhibit and are wowed. But the lights were on a fairly flat piece of land and the exhibit was relatively small in scale. Hunter was thinking what a field of light would look like on a portion of canyon-filled 380-acre he had purchased a few years earlier. He even envisioned the entire display being powered by solar. Hunter figured a Munro exhibit of lights would make a wonderful opening act for his land. He contacted the artist who flew in from London. Hunter then negotiated a license from Munro, and under the direction of Artist Associates, the site was ready for May 2019 opening. And yes, the lights are indeed all powered by batteries charged by the sun each day. I felt like I was in a heaven for the entire 2 hours. Please go there and enjoy this magic if you are nearby. Thank you for watching. Thanks.